Welcome back, everyone. This is Michael Leveris from jurisq.com with a personal injury attorney in Ohio, Kevin Attkisson. Kevin, how are you today? Welcome back.
Hey, Michael. Doing great. Thank you.
Thank you. Kevin, in all of our sessions that you explained so well on personal injury, we see how fact-specific personal injury cases are. And there are a lot of nuances on how you can prove an injury, liability, and a lot of times you may need to hire an expert to help you along to showcase the specifics of a case. Can you please tell us when do you need experts in a personal injury case? And most importantly, who pays for that?
Yes, thank you. So experts are very important in our cases, and a lot of times we want to get them involved as early as possible, depending on the case. If it's a complicated motor vehicle accident, I have crash reconstructionist experts who will start investigating immediately. So the sooner you get to us, the sooner we can get our experts involved and start investigating and coordinating with the officials investigating the accident, the police and the sheriff's office or the highway patrol, whoever it may be, and coordinate with them to get the information from them and then conduct our own investigation. I have private investigators that we use to interview witnesses and to go out to scenes and take photos and look for people that we need as witnesses. But then down the road, obviously, if a person's been in an accident and they've got an injury claim, they've suffered injuries, they've had medical treatment. So on the back end, we need experts to help us understand the injury. So we've got experts on the front end to help us understand what happened and to prove our case in terms of who's at fault. But then on the back end, we need doctors to testify for us if necessary on the injuries and the damages, what injuries resulted from the accident, what medical treatment was necessary, and how the medical treatment helped this person to get better, hopefully, and about the medical expenses and things like that. So, and all of these experts cost money. And we've got these experts that we use. We tend to, if it's a medical expert, we tend to like to use our client's own treating doctor, but sometimes that's not necessary. So we know doctors in the area who will review cases, will do medical exams, and will testify for us. But we pay for that stuff up front. And I would tell you, some of these experts can be really expensive. But if you want to pursue a case as much as you can, and that is to make sure that we've investigated everything and we're presenting all damages, you need to get experts involved. And we know the experts, and we've got the resources to hire the experts, and we do it all the time, and we do a really good job for our clients.
Yeah, Kevin, you actually before this session, you also talked about the importance of going after these big insurance companies that have the resources and the wherewithal to fight a case. And it's important to have an attorney that also has the resources and the contacts with the right experts to present your own evidence. Because, of course, their doctors, insurance companies' doctors, they're not on the side of the victim. Whereas you're going to hire independent people who will really showcase the extent of injuries and so on. Am I right?
Absolutely. The insurance companies do. They have a whole slew of doctors that they hire and they pay to downplay the extent of injuries that our clients have. And we want to make sure that what really happened to our clients is brought forward and made evidence. Now, also, these insurance companies, when it comes to serious accident cases, they'll have an expert and a lawyer out at the scene, the night of or the next day following a serious accident. So we need to get involved as quickly as possible as well, because their experts are out there as soon as, if you've got a bus accident or a trucking accident or something like that, they get their experts out there immediately, like even within hours of an accident happening. So we need to get involved as soon as possible so we can get our investigators involved as well.
Absolutely. Yeah, Kevin, thank you for that. Thank you for emphasizing how important it is to call an attorney right away. Of course, call 911, get medical attention you need. But then the second phone call should be to an attorney to make sure the scene is, we would say, secure. You can bring out your experts, get witness testimony, and so on. The phone number of Kevin Attkisson is on the bottom of the screen. The consultation is free. Do not hesitate to call as soon as possible after an accident, or even just to get a second opinion on your case. Kevin, thank you so much for your time. We're going to bring you back in our next sessions to talk more about personal injury, law, car accidents, slip and falls in the state of Ohio. Thank you, and have a great day.
Thank you.
Take care. Thanks.